Hello everyone, this is Shaku. Welcome back to my channel SEKHAR'S English. Keep learning, keep practicing, the secret of success. Friends, today I would like to talk about would and use it to. In my previous class, I promised you that I would make a video on the difference between would and use it to. So without making any delay, let's get started. Friends, generally to talk about things in the past, we use would or use it to. But if it is repeated past action, then we have to use would plus V1 or use it to plus V1. But if it is an action or situation that continued for a period of time, then we have to use only use it to plus V1. Remember it. So for repeated past actions, we can use would plus V1 as well as use it to plus V1. But for an action or situation that continued for a period of time, then you have to use it to plus V1, right? Friends, to make it clearer, let's go through some examples. I used to live in Vizianagaram, but I moved to West Godavari in 2003. So living in Vizianagaram is not a repeated action. It is an action or situation that continued for a period of time in the past. So here on this occasion, we have to use it to plus V1. Here, would plus V1 is not good, right? When I was young, I used to play cricket every Sunday. So here, playing cricket every Sunday is a repeated action. That's why we can use would plus V1 or use it to plus V1. Let us see it. When I was young, I used to play cricket every Sunday, or when I was young, I would play cricket every Sunday. So both would plus V1 or use it to plus V1 are correct, right? He used to hate his job until he got a promotion. Here also, hating his job is not a repeated action. It is an action or situation that continued for a period of time. That's why here we have to use it to plus V1. Friends, in a nutshell, we have to remember that for repeated past actions, we can use would plus V1 as well as use it to plus V1. But for an action or situation that continued for a period of time, there you have to use it to plus V1, right? Friends, I am very sure that you have understood the difference between would and use it to when we talk about things in the past. Friends, let's meet again with a new topic, would part 3. So until then, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you so much friends. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.